See, his tire's off the edge, I'm telling you.
Look at him. I'm getting personal with this truck. Alrighty, guys. So guess what? We have got the Tundra. We've got her back out on the road with us. And we've got a call for someone that needs some help in Infinity. And we're going to go take the big girl and get it done. Come along for the ride. Hey, guys. You go ahead. Go ahead and put that pole down for a minute. Go ahead and put the pole in for a minute. I got to turn around and get ready. You love it.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, if he's going to get down here, he might as well be able to throw the pole in the water, right? Right. You're the driver? I'm going to be honest. I'm not a good driver, but I'll be the driver. Who was driving when it got like this? That was me. That was you, okay. So, you're the driver. You did a good job on it. Oh, my.
Oh, yeah. This thing got...
Straighten your axle.
Okay.
Like these old guys, like these old girls.
We're definitely going to take this one out.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to go under with a, I'm gonna have to get a strap and go all the way up underneath the axle.
Okay.
So let's see what we got that we can use. This truck was just in the shop, so we don't have a whole lot in here. Probably with a bridle. Truck.
Yeah.
Make my way out a little bit. Ooh, yeah, like a spear. Woo.
It's like next time you have to put yourself at least the shovel.
Oh, yeah. Shovel helps a lot.
Oh no.
I'm almost there.
Well, thank you so much.
You're very welcome. This is what we do. We come when you got a problem, and we leave when you got no more problem and you're smiling.
Wait.
All right. You can be that way for now.
No, thank you so much.
Yeah. Sticking out the sand, man. That smile will be permanent, girl. All right. Alright, that was red.
Can I go in there for a little bit? We'll be back.
Hey, buddy.
Yeah, how you doing? I want to get a weed.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You get what you need. Absolutely. There you go. Absolutely. I hope you catch something. Look at him. I'm getting personal with this truck. We're coming back out.
Yeah.
It has some like old recovery points, but not something I'd be willing to use.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna have you hop in the driver's seat, and I'm gonna give you final instructions.
Okie dokes.
Yeah, baby. All right, so what I want you to do is I want you to start it up. Don't safety brake on, right? And this is before traction control, I'm pretty sure. Okay. It doesn't have a little carved squiggly line underneath it, does it? No? Yeah. Go traction control. Alright, here we go. So you're gonna turn the wheel a little bit that way. Right there. Okay. Yeah, right there. So I'm gonna go and it's gonna pop you up, alright? I want you to be in reverse. When you feel me popping, you're just gonna get like that. It's like forward. A little bit like that, okay? So I'll keep going forward a little bit. When we get about 10, 15, 20 feet past where it stops, like I can honk, I'm not honk, I'm going to slow down when you stop. I'll unhook you when you stop. Okay? Like forward. So too much gas, you just keep sinking. Not enough gas, you sink me. Just the right amount of gas. And we going together, okay? Okay.
So we're giving it a little bit of gas. Keep going. Keep going. Awesome. Should be all good.
Great job with that fun. All right, go ahead and put it in park. I'm going to unhook you a little bit so you can do that. All right, so we're going to get her unhooked. I think what we're going to do is just get in front of her and lead her out of here.
That's a new one.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
With
yeah.
an exotic tow bridle, so we put it right where it was supposed to go.
Oh, yeah.
All right, we're gonna get you up and off the beach here. Yes, sir. Big Tundra. We love her. Hey, over.
Oh, yeah.
We're just gonna. Moments later. No, 5 minutes later. Y'all be back.
Thank you so much. Thank you
Very
so
well.
much.
Bye-bye.
We're gonna dig it a little bit and see if we can push it back, okay?
I can help push. I'm not that weak.
All right, sounds good. I'm just gonna dig a tiny bit.
2 very boring minutes later.
So that's traction control off now. It was on.
And we want it off?
Yep, because once you spin tire, it'll cut power. So you want to be able to spin some tire. You got to mediate your throttle, but that way you can get it to move.
Okay, great.
So we
that.
can have her drive and the three of us can push. And at first you'll want to just keep the wheel straight, little bit of gas. And if it moves, start to turn the wheel towards the driver's side and get, sideways, and then we can get you out. And we'll give you a 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Yep, in reverse.
But straight until they tell you.
All right. You ready?
No, I'm not able to. Oh wait, I need to put.
Okay, here we go. All right, wait, let's make sure traction control is still off. Yes, it is. Okay.
Yeah, it does.
You want help? Yeah, come on. Here, scoot over a little bit, guys. All right, here we go.
Oh,
3, 2,
More the merrier.
1, go. Go, go, go. Yep, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
You okay?
It's just funny. I went into the hole.
Oh, yeah.
All right, now you can put it in drive. You can get on. You want to get in before she drives off?
No, I'll take care of you. And
You don't gotta take care of us. You're good.
It's free.
Go ahead.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we didn't hook up.
Okay.
Yeah, you're
Well,
good.
thank
No
you
worries.
very,
Yes,
very
you have a
much.
great day. Okay.
Is it okay if we post the footage?
Yes,
Yeah?
absolutely.
Awesome.
Good job. There might be I think a big truck stuck up there. It might be two-wheel drive, I can't tell. Go take a look before we head back north, I guess.
Moments later.
Well, guys, we got a call from one of our recon peeps. This SUV tried to drive off the berm and it didn't go successfully. So we're gonna see what's up. See, his tire's off the edge, I'm telling you. If he tries to back up, look, he's looking at it right now.
Hey, I'll be the next one, I think.
How does that happen?
Oh. Hey, hold on.
How you doing, man? What was your name?
Mark.
Mark, John, nice to meet you.
Yeah, we come from snow, not sand.
Fair enough, fair enough.
Oh, way different.
Oh yeah, down there.
Yeah, I got just. I can hunt here.
He's going to the ocean.
Right across this plain.
We had studded tires.
Oh yeah, we came from Vermont.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I'm a brand new.
Wow.
Yeah, the tires are brand new.
Wow, they're studded for ice.
Yeah.
Not for
Not sand.
Yeah.
But we're dropped down 15 pounds.
I've never seen that before. Like I said, that's
No.
Oh,
Oh,
that's not a thing we deal with down here.
We get looks down here on the road. Yeah, that's for ice on the road. Yeah.
Yeah, so I can probably hook a bridle to the two control arms and then just pull you down off of it, and then you can take the low side and you should be able to get up on out of here.
Well, we're
And
not
to be-
quad tracking. We just, what happens, we dropped over this bank. I thought
Yeah.
it was more like that, where it just rounded
Right.
off, just
Right.
like he did.
Yeah,
He's
yeah.
like, oh, yeah, I'm going off too. Yeah. Dude.
I hear ya, I hear ya. And this thing, look, he's got his pressure low. He's only got a second before,
He needs to start rolling backwards.
no.
You don't think he needs to
No, he needs to send it down the hill.
tell him that?
Where'd he go? You can probably drive out of here.
We can drive from there.
You want to drive out?
Yeah.
I'll give you a push from the back. I think if you just like
Yeah, I should be
go
fine.
for it,
Yeah,
you should
yeah.
be all right.
Just,
You want to do it now or you want to wait?
I'll wait a little bit.
Okay.
It's just funny that I thought I was fine, but then when I look on the other side, I'm like, oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh, hold on. Let me help push.
Huh?
Let me push you.
All right.
All right, go for it.
Don't stop. Keep
Go,
going.
go,
Don't
go.
Stop. There we go. Heck yeah. That's how it's done.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Turn that wheel this way again, all the way. All right, all the way the other way. All right, basically you're just gonna be in there, get the wheel straight with me, in drive, just a tiny, tiny bit of gas, and I'm gonna pull it real easy down off the berm.
Thank you.
Yep. Turn that wheel all the way this way, or all the way to the driver's side. Yep. All the way the other way. I'm going the same way. You can follow me and make sure you're up out of here, okay? You guys have a great day, okay? All right, follow me out of here.
Subscribe to San Hope.
There you go, baby.
Like and subscribe to San Hope. They're the best.